Here now, let us see how we can read messages here. If you watched my previous videos, we are supposed to watch we are supposed to read messages here. They are available. If you are joining for free, you are supposed to watch 100 messages a day. But as I have seen, you may not get 100 messages a day, but you try to read a message as much as possible in a day. And here is the clock a day now. Just the time, the clock has started now, so more than 22 hours time is remaining to watch message as many messages as possible. So I try to read message. I want to show you how to read message and how to send mailing. Send mailing means we are promoting our own offers, and the members of this Infinity Mailer Boost, this is also called as Infinity Traffic Boost or Infinity Mailer Boost. The members, around 10,000 members here, and they are going to receive your messages of your income opportunities or offers, and eventually they will join your offer if they want, and you will make commission of that. So first of all, here I will click on this read message. I have read few messages already today, and there are a couple of messages. You are supposed to click on any message like this, and here the message, and you will find one link here like that. You read or may not read everything, all this stuff, and you have to click on this link so that one ad, you will be forced to watch one ad here for 10 to 15 seconds, not more than that. Hang in there here for 10-15 minutes here. Here also clock has started. Let it become 0 here, and 25.25 ad credits should be credited. Now I'm supposed to click on hello. Yeah, you can close this. Close. And this will be in green color. Now recently I have watched this. This indicates that recently I watched this message. Okay, now only one more message is left there. This is a link I clicked. One ad will start soon now. And this is how we are going to send our messages with our opportunities here. Okay, and there are many more members here, and they are hungry online entrepreneurs, or they want to join some good offers. If your offer will be good for them, if they think, and they will join. Now after 5 messages you will get the captcha like this. You have to answer the, you need to type the same message here. Only way to be sure. Yeah, click here. That's it. Now close here and wait for a couple of hours and again come back, and you may find some messages here, and you read all the messages so that maximum credits should be gained, so that I can send my messages with my offers. So you will find the link beneath this video and start for free. And I highly suggest you to go for buy one TPO here. You click here, buy TPOs. TPO means traffic package options. The minimum package is for $2.5. Okay, and if you join for free and over the period of time, by reading the messages you will make $2.5, but it takes some time. But if you want to speed up the process of sending, you are promoting your offers or opportunities, and meanwhile if you want to earn some good bitcoins, you go for this option. See, this is for 2.94. and here 2.5. So at least this is for 2.3. At least spend some 2.5 or less than $3 so that you can promote your you can expose your offers, promote your offers, and meanwhile you can start gaining more bitcoins and start referring people. That is also very important, and many people will join because this is a free way to make bitcoins. And if you follow the plan as they have suggested here, I will show that if you follow that plan, you will make 2.74 bitcoins, that is more than 20,000 US dollars in 73 days. Or if you miss that plan, it may take some more time to make 2.74 bitcoins, or if at all you make one bitcoin, that is also good money, no? That's it. Now I want to show you how to send message. So once you click on the dashboard, I think I can send to 1,000 people here. Now click on this send mailing. See, now email up to 1,000 or for 8,000. I can send to 1,000 people here, and every day I can send to 1,000 people. So come below here. There are already my saved messages here. I can select that and see here. These messages will also be saved here. So these many messages have sent already. I'll pick one. So one subject, and this is a mail. And you can have your link here in the body of the message. Come below, and here you can preview that. I am not going to click that because I am not going to send this. Preview, you can preview, check, and it will. If you see the tested okay, then you can send the mail. So this will be sent to 1,000 people, and out of 1,000 people every day, somebody will be interested in your offer. This is apart from earning a Bitcoin. Mind it. Okay, so we can send to 1,000 people here, and I highly suggest you to buy one traffic package less than $3 here, so that the process will be speed up for you. Now here I would like to tell you this. You come here, help/training. Now come to video tutorials. Okay. Once you click this, you will have many video tutorials here, and you can go through all the video tutorials about this Infinity Mailer Boost, how you can earn money or how you can earn bitcoins at the faster rate, and other videos, useful videos you can see here. It will take some time to load all the videos. Okay, and you can learn so many things here. I would like you to watch 2 videos. See, everything is here, how to send mailings, whatever I have explained now, so that everything is there. Now watch these 2 videos. A free way and the fast track, how to earn Bitcoin 2.74 in 42 days. And this is a fast track, and this is a absolute free way to make a Bitcoin of 2.74 in 7. So apart from these 2, you can watch many other videos so that you will make more referrals and you will scale up your business. If you want to see other opportunities, I highly suggest you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon. And if you have any questions, please do reach out. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.